Today, I will be organizing my spice jar. I do not like how they're looking right now. So I head over to the dollar store just to get myself some spice jars. Different selections, but I'm looking for something very minimalistic, not metal lid, not wooden lid. I just want everything clear. And I found those beautiful jars, which I thought they're definitely what I was looking for. I will be washing these, sanitizing it, and also rubbing the inside with alcohol, ensuring that I took out everything inside of there. You want to make sure that this is sanitized. Now, look at this. Pouring my spices in it, it looks very clean. Now I'll be using Canva to create some labels. Very, very simple. Black ink, no colored, no florals, just the name. I did have to put Darcy King Organics on it. And look at this. Doesn't that look wow? Yeah, this is perfect.